Jeremy, thanks a lot. 4.5 million. That's how many people in Georgia have a criminal record. And that's according to the Georgia Justice Project. Now, the number represents about 40% of people living in the state, which is higher than the national average. And tonight, the League of Women Voters holding a panel to discuss Georgia's criminal justice system. Brooke Butler was there, and she joins us live now from the newsroom. And Brooke, they talked about what's working and, more importantly, what's not.
Yeah, Greg, and we heard a lot of statistics at tonight's panel. At the end of the night, though, everyone agreed there's an overwhelming number of people being criminally charged in this state.
Well, I think education is such an important component. A lot of people have misconceptions about the criminal justice system.
Tuesday, the League of Women Voters Coastal Georgia hosted a panel to discuss the Peach State's criminal justice system.
I think what changes people's hearts and minds about the issues that we are seeing are having neighbor-to-neighbor conversations about the issues that impact us most greatly.
The panelists included Chatham County District Attorney Shalina Jones, Superior Court Judge Tammy Stokes, Defense Attorney Michael Schwartz, and returned citizens advocate Paige Dukes.
We put people in prison for decades, and we monetize their communication with their family members. We really make it hard for people to keep those connections over these long sentences so that when they come home, they have the support system they need to be successful.
These four discussed a wide variety of topics Tuesday, from the number of cases that make their way to the Chatham County District Attorney's office.
Pre-COVID, we were seeing on average about 12,000 new cases a year. Post-COVID, we're now somewhere between 15,000 and 17,000 cases a year.
Who really finds themselves in jail.
The vast majority of cases and incarceration numbers come from nonviolent drug offenses.
And all four agreed something needs to change, specifically when it comes to how the justice system treats the mentally ill and also young people.
We have to understand that the only thing many young people learn, if they don't have the right services and rehabilitation services during imprisonment, the only thing that they learn when they're put in adult prisons is how to be a better criminal.
Now, Brooke, all the panelists seem to agree from what you were saying is that any change starts at home.
Yeah, Greg, they say that it's really important for people to educate themselves about the criminal justice system. For instance, how much taxpayers are shelling out for those in jail. They say people also need to take part in not just national elections, but local elections as well. Greg.
Important facts for people to think about tonight. Brooke Butler reporting live in the newsroom. Thanks so very much. Now, the League of Women Voters says that it hopes to have a similar panel like this one in the future.